पूरा दुनिया के 800 वोल्केनो दी मड वाला अगर की छिरा 350 सिर्फ अजरबैजान
Yes. Is it good?
For face, for back,
For everything. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Burning.
It's burning.
Yeah.
دا خځو مخ ته پر ډېر ښه د خاټه چې څوره ښځې دي بوتلې ته نه ډکوي خاټه راخلي
Oh, it's burning.
دا ټول دي دا
It's liquid.
Okay. And you can swim or not?
Yeah. People are swimming here. Yeah, even in that big crater. Yeah, they take a bath for some time, for half an hour, maybe 1 hour. Then they come here.
You will not get drowned if you
Actually, this one is a bit dangerous, but not that one because there's gas. It pushes you out. But this one is a bit dangerous. You have to be careful. It's not that dangerous, but if you can swim, it's okay. After this, down there's another lake. It is clean, so you can go and clean yourself. But you have to be prepared if you want to take a bath here. In Gobustan territory starts like this: Upper Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, Neolithic, Bronze Age, Iron Age, and Middle Age. So this carving dates back to Mesolithic age, and the Mesolithic age covered from 15,000 BC to 8,000 BC. So between this period it was carved because they are dancing people. It's the primary primitive version of today's traditional Azerbaijani dance, Yallı dance. Yeah, but they don't come close.
Yeah.
Because snakes are afraid of humans. And that's a hunter with bow and arrow. You can see over there. And bow and arrow was invented in Mesolithic age, at the same age. There is a boat. You can see the lions inside. It signifies the young hunters inside of the boat. And the boat, dates back to Neolithic age. The Neolithic age covered 8,000 BC to 6,000 BC. At the back, you can see a hunter and zigzag lines. The zigzag lines signify the range.
Look at there. Now you can see the gentleman. Я говорил об этом товарищу. I mean this one. Next to you can see deer hunters. Видите, олени и охотников. И подойди сюда.
So guys, behold. So that's the deer. So you can ask how the deer came here. If they didn't see the deer, how could they carve it? That's the deer. So 1 million years ago, the level of the sea was more than these mountains. There was no land. 650,000 years ago, it regressed, and this place became savanna climate zone. And in the savanna climate zone, you know what kind of animals exist, right? So deer, wolves, lions, all of the animals that you can see in the savanna climate zone when you watch a documentary, right? So,
Okay guys.
this is a shaman. You know shamanism? Shamanism is kind of religion in Siberia. They believe in moon, sun, nature events. Also, these people had kind of similar beliefs. Please. Another cave. Inside we can see two sets of carvings. Upper part, which mostly consists of the bulls. One, two, it's not proportional, but you can see that there are bulls. And that lower part, mostly humans. So, and there is a line. You can see this line going through here. So, in 1960s, when the archaeologists found upper part, there was a solid soil. They were working on it. Then they excavated and they found the lower part. Here's the question: how could they carve that high? Were they taller than us? Actually not. Because of the skeletons, we have defined that they were the same height as us. So, one theory says that they used this technique to carve to that place. They mounted on one another's shoulders, like here, here, here. This proves that they used this technique. And there you can see donkey. On the back there is a hunter on the back of the donkey. So, and this proves that they used the donkeys as transportation. And this dates back to Bronze Age, 4000 BC, 3000 BC. On this side, you can see a big bull, which is proportional, and beneath there is a donkey. So, it's very hard to carve, but this cave has changed its shape. There has been lots of earthquakes. You can see the collision area.
Place falls down.
Yes, first it was straight. After the earthquakes, you can see the collision area. Now we are going, okay?
Let's go. And there are more than 77 petroglyphs on this rock. For example, at the edge of the rock, you can see the image of the boat. And here we can see hunter's image that belong to Mesolithic era. For example, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we can see big ox, dancing man, here, gazelle, goat, hunter, main image. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Now guys,
Oh, bro.
you can see
And
shaman
here
here.
we can see the
Look
image
at
of
this
the
special
boat.
headgear. Looks
Here.
like a horn. It was made out of the horns of the animals, and they were using this special headgear. Rock. You can see many donkeys. How do we know they are donkeys? Because the lengths of the legs are short. If they were longer, they would be horses, right?
Okay.
And there is a net, like the fisherman net, or it's a set. It's a trap which is set for the donkeys to catch them. They were using them in transportation, and they were using this kind of man-made holes. You see? Everyone sees? To tie them up. That's the man-made hole. Make way for others to see, please. Man-made hole, like this. They were tying them up with a rope. And on this side, sorry. That's a wild pig. Wild pig, and that's a jumping dog or a wolf. So they have taken this ready-made art from the nature. So they saw a wolf or a dog chasing the pig, so they depicted it on the rock. Because they couldn't be watching the Animal Planet, right? Yeah.